House Speaker Paul Ryan was on the border today, getting a first-hand look at where President Donald Trump's proposed border wall would be built. KXAN's Anna Wernicke has been following the visit all day, and she joins us from McAllen.
Today's trip was solely business. The group didn't make any public appearance. In fact, their schedule wasn't even released until hours before they arrived here at McAllen International Airport. As soon as they touched down, they immediately boarded a helicopter for an aerial tour, then jetted off on a boat for a ground tour along the Rio Grande River. Once that wrapped up, they took a walking tour along the border and stopped by a holding facility in McAllen where immigrants are processed. The group met with Border Patrol agents and local officials. We spoke to protesters outside one of the speaker's stops today. They say if Speaker Ryan really wanted to get a lay of the land, then he should have taken the time to talk to the people who live here.
He's using the border as a photo op opportunity rather than speaking to people who are directly impacted, who will live under the shadow of the border wall, who will be divided by deportations, and who would face the indignities that Border Patrol agents that do not have accountability and transparency inflict on our border residents.
Today's visit was House Speaker Paul Ryan's first trip to the U.S. Mexico border, and it couldn't happen at a more crucial time. Now, Ryan now has to go back to D.C. with everything he's learned here today and roll out a concrete plan for this border wall and figure out who's going to be picking up the tab. Ryan has said in the past that he expects the U.S. to pay for it and that Mexico will eventually reimburse that cost. He's also hinted at a price tag of roughly $12 to $15 billion. In McAllen, I'm Anna Wernicke. Back to you.
Programs serving Texas children could see major changes soon. Today, the Senate Committee on Health and Human Services unanimously voted to support SB 11, which would reform the Department of Family and Protective Services. The bill promises timely services for children in foster care and increases the number of children who can be helped. If passed, it would also grant more oversight in the CPS system and strengthen child abuse investigations. SB 11 now moves to the Senate floor for a full vote.